Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to do block blast glitch. Alright, let's begin. You want to open up the application. And here we will just select classic mode once it loads. Alright, so click on classic. And ideally, you will have two 9 by 9 blocks. So just like that, those that I have. If you don't have them, you will click on the settings icon in the top right. And then you will click on replay, so you re-roll the blocks until you get 9 by 9. Now, once you get those, you want to place one in the top left corner and the other in the bottom right corner. The other block that you get, you can place wherever. Now this one isn't ideal, but I'm just going to place it here. Now what you're going to do is, depending on what you get next, you want to match it or put it in the top right corner this time. So if you get like a solid block, you would put it in the top right corner. This one, I will just place right there. Here just so I have one more slot here 6 by 6, and this one I will place wherever, but I'll try not to make any of those pop. Now as you can see, we get this block which will fill out the entire row, and also you will get that block which can fill out the vertical row. So just like that, I'm going to pop this, and this time after I have chosen which one I want to pop, I'll put this in the top left corner. This one's going to go in the other corner, and this should essentially trigger the same mechanism over and over again. If you get any weirdly shaped blocks, just try to fill them out and place any solid blocks in the corners. So that's basically how you can do block blast glitch. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.